Today we're showing you how to make an aloe-based hair mask that you can customize for your hair type. We're going to show you 3 different ways that you can customize this hair mask. For a base, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 10 drops of lavender oil. Then for an oily hair variation, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. For a normal hair variation, we'll add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1 tablespoon of rose water. For a dry hair variation, we'll be doing 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1 tablespoon of oil. For this video, we're going to be making the normal hair variation. So we're starting with our honey and we're adding in our rose water. For the normal hair and oily hair variations, you don't even need to shampoo this mask out. You can actually just rinse it out. Because there is oil in the dry hair mask, we do recommend that you shampoo it out and then follow with a light conditioner. And to use the mask, all you need to do is dampen your hair slightly and apply the mask evenly from roots to the tips of your hair and leave for about 20 minutes. We chose aloe gel and lavender oil as a base for this hair mask because these ingredients are actually amazing for all hair types, whether your hair is oily, dry, or normal. It can benefit from these 2 amazing ingredients. Once you've added everything, you can whisk it all together until it's evenly mixed. And that's all you need to do to make your healing hair mask. For maximum results, we recommend using this mask once a week.